All pregnant ladies or those even who are planning for pregnancy should avoid vitamin A or any retinol based products either topically or orally in your skincare routine. Topically, there are no evidence based studies to say that there could be enough absorption into your bloodstream to cause any teratogenic effect. However, there are no tests that has been done to prove otherwise. Hence, it is preferable to avoid excessive usage of any retinol based products, be it in creams, and especially vitamin A orally should never be consumed minimum 72 days prior to a planned pregnancy, preferably 6 months before a planned pregnancy, because this has proven to cause what we say teratogenic effect in the embryo. Hence, please avoid vitamin A in your skincare routine if you are planning for pregnancy in the future.